Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Let's start with today's session on the topic, is the 2025 version really better? Privacy is no longer just a legal or technical issue. Today it is about trust, reputation and even survival. Organizations collect huge amounts of personal data every day and people now expect this data to be handled responsibly. Regulators also demand clear accountability and transparency. ISO/IEC 27701-2019 helped organizations manage privacy in a structured way through a privacy information management system. But between 2019 and 2025, the digital world changed fast. Data volumes increased, AI became common, global data transfers expanded, and privacy laws became stricter. To match this reality, ISO introduced ISO/IEC 27701-2025. This raises an important question: is it really better or just updated? ISO 27701-2019, a strong start but limited. ISO 27701-2019 gave organizations a solid starting point. It extended ISO 27001 and ISO 27002 by adding privacy controls and clearly defining roles such as PII controllers and processors. For the first time, privacy could be managed within a formal system and shown to regulators and customers. However, it had limits. Privacy risk assessments were often treated as paperwork, not real decision tools. Leadership responsibility was unclear, and audits focused more on documents than actual privacy performance. New technologies like AI and complex vendor networks were not fully covered. Now, why change was needed? From 2019 to 2025, data processing became more complex. AI systems started making automated decisions. Cloud services expanded and organizations depended more on third parties. At the same time, regulators increased enforcement and public awareness of privacy risk grew. It became clear that policies and checklists were not enough. Privacy needed to be managed continuously, strategically, and at the top management level. This created the need for a revised standard. Now, ISO 27701-2025, focus on governance and leadership. ISO 27701-2025 shift the focus from simple compliance to strong governance. Privacy is no longer just the job of legal or IT teams. It is now a leadership and board level responsibility. Organizations must clearly assign roles, document decisions, and show real results. Privacy risk must be identified and managed continuously, including risk from AI, cross-border data transfers, and third-party vendors. Tools like Privacy Impact Assessment and Data Protection Impact Assessments are now central to privacy management, not optional paperwork. Now, better integration and clear structure. The 2025 version aligns fully with ISO 27001-2022 and the NXSL structure. This makes it easier to integrate privacy with other management systems like quality, environment, and occupational health. Controls are clearer, simpler, and focused on outcomes. Audits now look for real evidence, not just documents. Privacy becomes an ongoing management process, not a once-a-year activity. Now, stronger accountability. A major improvement in ISO 27701-2025 is accountability. Organizations must prove how privacy decisions are made, how risks are handled, and how lessons are learned from incidents. Auditors and regulators expect evidence of effective privacy management. This ensures privacy is practical and measurable, not just theoretical. Now, is ISO 27701-2025 really better? Yes, because it reflects today's privacy challenges. ISO 27701-2019 helped organizations begin their privacy journey. ISO 27701-2025 takes them to the next level by embedding privacy into governance, risk management, and strategy. Organizations that adopt it will be more audit-ready, trustworthy, and resilient. Those that ignore it may struggle with accountability and global compliance. The difference between ISO 27701 2019 and 2025 is significant. The earlier version built the foundation, the newer version builds a sustainable system. Privacy is no longer just about policies or compliance. It is about leadership, accountability, and continuous improvement. ISO 27701 2025 helps organizations move from simply managing data to truly protecting people. In today's digital and AI-driven world, this shift is not optional, it is essential. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.